Ponytail. Bow. Ooh. And the blood sacrifice. Okay, I like plucking. I am constantly talking about how often I have to shave, but I actually do really like plucking. And so every once in a while it is very hard for me not to be like, I'm gonna pluck the hair out of my eyebrows instead of shaving. I know that if I pluck the hair out of my eyebrows, they won't grow back. So I only pluck in the area where I already shave. Like a lot. Like I wouldn't pluck here because that's the money. That's the, maybe I want to grow hair there. So this is some aqua hair, and we're gonna do another neutral palette. Okay, so it's another, this thing we're gonna do with my Grandeur palette. This is the color palette, just in case you forgot. This is my personal favorite neutral palette. It's warm, but it's, you know, it's deep. It's not too red. Like, this is a good palette, and I wish it was still in production because these two shades of brown, untouchable. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and put my eyebrow base, my brow base, and then we'll get back into it. Words are hard.
to the bottom of that, but let's move on to this next post. World War 1 and 2, you know.
When have I never not been that bitch? Like, this palette, personally, I love this palette. It personally, like, this is just a little too metallic and a little too dark for me. This is Going Coconuts. She's barely hanging on anymore. Whereas this, I really like. Oh, come on. I've already transferred. It's just like, I'm ready to fist fight someone. Holy shit. Oh my god. My lashes are trying me. I can't find my lash tweezers still. I'm not even wearing blush yet. Holy cow. Yep, can't fake it. Can't fake it. Honest to God, like, this is my favorite, like, neutral palette. It feels neutral on me. It gives me that look. It feels nice. I just really like it. Sorry, my hair's all fucked up. It took me 2 hours to film the last section of this video. Don't you take my lash with you, demon. Yeah. You can check out the rest of my neutral palette series. You can subscribe generally where my face is. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Megan_Blush_. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I love coffee. Bye, guys.